Hello, hello. Today we are doing a very short and sweet Gua Sha facial routine. This is deeply relaxing for the face and also helps with lift and glow and drainage. All you need is a Gua Sha stone and a face cleanser. If you do not have a Gua Sha stone, you can just watch and enjoy. And when you do have a stone, you can come back, or you can check out my other video for doing a face massage using just your hands. But we will go ahead and get started pulling back the hair. I am going to also light some incense. If you have a candle or some incense you would like to light, I encourage you to do that. We'll just make this into some self-care, a little self-care ritual. Here I have some incense I was burning earlier. So I'm just going to relight this and make this part of our routine here. Okay, it's taking a moment, hand over heart, arriving here. Connecting with yourself. Okay, and we can get started. If your face is feeling dry, use a little more. If it's feeling already really moist, use a little less. I'm going to do 3 squirts here, and we're just making sure that the face has enough oil on it to where the Gua Sha stone doesn't grab or pull on the skin. You can do this morning, night, whatever feels best for you. But we always start at the back of the neck. I start with this here, and we just go up the back of the neck, right up the back, just 3 times, and then up against the side back of the neck 3 times, and then up here 3 more times, and then get behind the ear. And then we're going to come down the front of the neck. We'll do 3 times, just the front, just maybe 4, maybe 6. Here we go. Yeah, and then we can kind of go in here. Okay, and then we go to the other side, up the back of the neck 3 times, kind of the back side 3 times, and then the side of the neck 3 more times. And behind the ear, there we go. And then we'll come back down the front of the neck. Just kind of getting the full front. We're not getting the front of the throat quite yet. And we'll get here. This is just helping open up the lymphatic drainage system in the face. Now we're going to come up the neck. I like to use this little wedge here. Just coming up and over the chin, right up the front of the throat 3 times. And the side of the throat, up and over the chin 3 times. The other side of the neck, up and over the chin 3 times. Okay, great. And then we're going to take this again and come along the jaw. We'll do that 3 times. Everyone's face is shaped different, so you have to use your stone in a way that feels good for your face. Behind the ear and down the side of the neck. And we'll do this side and we'll come along the jaw. And we are not pressing into the skin. We're using a very feather light, very, very feather lightweight touch. So we come down and get that here again. Okay, great. Now I like to use this comey end and come up the side, all the way up the side of the face. I usually start from underneath the jaw. And notice all of our motions are upward. We're just going up the face. We did 3 times there. And 3 times we'll go up here. We have 3 different points on the face. Okay, I like to go around the lips a little with the comey end. I carry a lot of tension around my mouth. So get in those folds, smile lines, help them relax a little bit. Frown lines maybe for you. Okay, and then I use the comey end again, and we just calm up against here. And again, pressing very light 3 times. And then we'll use this under the eye and along the cheekbone into the hairline. 3 times. Okay. And then we're going to come and get the eye here 3 times. Kind of go across the eye and up the temple. We're just making sure we're following through on every motion here. Okay. And then I like to take the comby end, but you can also take this end and just do along, just up, even pulling up on the eye and back into the skull. Okay, so let's do that again on this side. So I use the comb end again over here. We're getting side of the face. And then we'll do under the eye and along the cheekbone 3 times. And again, notice I'm going up into the hairline. Okay, and if you feel like you need a little something extra, you can give it a little something extra. Along the eye here, just getting up in that brow bone. Again, we just carry so much tension around the eyes. And then just kind of combing that up into the scalp. Yeah. Okay. You can come back down, do a little of this, just kind of wrap it up. Give yourself a tiny little face massage with your hands, sides of the ears, and coming back to your heart. Breathing that in. Just feels so good. And there you go. There's your short, sweet morning, evening Gua Sha facial routine. I hope you enjoyed it. I have more videos just like this with a longer Gua Sha routine, a facial massage, facial reflexology. I invite you to check them out. My name is Jessica Amos. May you stay with yourself today and always. Bye.